Two totally memorable acts. Only one of them is your winner. It's time. America has voted. The AGT champion, the winner of $1 million, and the starring role in our show in Las Vegas is... Adrian Stoica and Hurricane! Anna, you can be very proud of what you've done. Thank you so much. One more time for Anna de Guzman. One more time for your winner, Adrian Stoica and Hurricane. Give it up for all of our finalists. Thank you to our judges, Howie Mandel, Heidi Klum, Sofia Vergara, and Simon Cowell. Next season's auditions are going now. I'm Terry Crews. Good night, America.